d'abord, je voulais savoir, vous venez d'où?
Dilbeek.
Préférez, je parle en anglais. Comme vous voulez.
Cette dame nous a envoyé une invitation.
Et est-ce que vous avez aimé les nourritures et est-ce que vous avez amusé?
Oui, c'est très bien et c'était très bon. C'était délicieux, oui.
Et est-ce que vous avez déjà été au Tibet?
Non, j'ai jamais été au Tibet.
Et vous, est-ce que vous voudrez...
Oui, c'est mon rêve d'y aller un jour.
Et qu'est-ce que vous pensez?
C'est bien.
Est-ce que il y a une différence entre les Tibétains et les... Je veux dire, la personnalité, est-ce que c'est différent des Tibétains?
Je crois que oui, mais je n'ai pas vraiment des amis tibétains, donc je ne sais pas vraiment comparer.
Numéro 32. Ça c'est bon.
First of all, I'd like to know your name and where you come from.
My name is Itsana, and I come from Belgium.
And, how did you know this program was going to be held today?
On internet, I think Denis. Yes. Yeah.
Numéro 65.
Or maybe Pygmy, I don't know.
And how do you think? Did you enjoy it?
Yes. Yeah.
The food and everything?
Yes, everything.
Do you like the Tibetan tea with butter?
Of course.
1 and 4.
Have you ever been to Tibet before?
No, but to Dharamsala.
And what's the difference between Tibetan people and Belgian people? Is there any difference?
Tibetan and Belgium? Or Tibetan living in Belgium? I don't know.
Today, like being here, is there any special feelings you felt?
I have been before in Tibetan Culture Day, so no, it's yes. Thank you.
And what do you do here in Belgium?
I'm student, and I'm doing French lesson for Tibetan people.
Know your name and where do you come from?
I work at the European Parliament. My name is Juja Ferenci.
And how did you know this program was going to be held today?
Well, through my work, I have been following the issue of Tibet, and every time there are events, I try to go, and I'm in good contact with the community living in Belgium.
And what feeling did you feel today, like being here? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it's. I actually live very close by, so I'm happy I discovered that you have this center, and I think that the work that the organizers do for the children to have their culture living and to learn how to write and read is very important. So it's of great value, I believe.
Okay, thank you. And have you ever been to Tibet?
Oh, I've been to India. I've been to Bilakupe, to the community. And actually, last year when you had the elections for the Kalon Tripa, I was observing the elections.
And what do you think about, I mean, is there any difference between Tibetan people and Belgian people? Is there any difference?
Yes, well, Belgium is a very international place, so we see all kinds of people. But I think for Tibetan people, from my experience, as I went to Tibet, to the Tibetan community in India, I feel that they are very easy to talk to and very modest and humble, as opposed to maybe some other nations living in Belgium.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So yes, I'm Birgit. I'm since 1998. I'm involved with Tibet. I was member of an organization helping Tibetan children in Nepal for a long time. Afterwards, I did a lot of projects, on my own, in fact. And then I've also written a few books about Tibet, so the problem of Tibetan children fleeing from Tibet, having education in Tibetan in India. And another book about the bingo on the background. Another book about the warriors fighting for freedom against a Chinese occupation. So yeah, I'm still involved with Tibet and still busy trying to get Tibet free and to help.
Today we have a Tibetan Culture Day, cultural events here, and how you feel about these events?
Yeah. I think it's really very important to organize such events as well for Tibetan children here in the West, because they need to be aware of their culture. I think it's very important because we lost a lot of these dances and culture and songs and everything. We had it also before, but it's lost on the way. So I think it's important for the children and also for the Westerners to get an idea of the rich Tibetan culture. It's not only Buddhism, but it's also the dresses and all the customs, like drinking tea and making tsampa. I think it was very nice to show it to the people, just because you know the tea and the tsampa, but not everybody knows from where it comes or how it is used or prepared. So I think it's very important.
Thank you, Birgit.